This time I wanted to talk about a Python script I put together after doing a security course. The course actually was dealing with something completely different about filtering out some Twitter feeds, and I thought it'd be kind of cool if we could just grab some Twitter account, take the public feeds on the account, and then just convert all the tweets to text and make it MP3. I mean, all the text tweets to speech and make an MP3 out of it. And how I did that, I went ahead and did that. I put this together, and I did that using the following libraries. I used BeautifulSoup to parse the HTML on Twitter, and URLlib, of course, just to make URL connections. And the real core of it is this library gTTS, and this one and BeautifulSoup have to be installed for this to work. I did some regular expression work. I got some help off Stack Overflow on that. And sys is just to make exit codes for the application. It's menu driven, but it could be done differently. But this is how I do it. So it will kick off and say, you know, please enter the name of some Twitter account holder, and then it will go to their Twitter feed, pull their tweets, and parse them. And how I'm parsing them: first, I check and make sure that the feed exists. If it exists, then we go ahead and parse the tweets with BeautifulSoup. We look for divs of this class, JS tweet text container. And then I strip out anything that's like a URL. That's where I needed some help. Did some regular expression here, just copied this from Stack Overflow. And then, because otherwise you're going to have this speech to text that's going to say something, and then it's going to start reading a URL, and I thought that was really annoying. So after I do that, I append this to an array of all their tweets, and then I join them together. And then I pass this into this little block here. And this block is where we instantiate gTTS, and we say, let's take this joined dialog, which is captured from all the tweets. We're going to use that as the text. Our language is going to be English. And then we're going to save this as the name that you enter. So if you're going to follow like some guy like, I don't know, Obama, if that is the Twitter name, then it would name the MP3 the same name as the feed. And I'm going to give it a quick demonstration of it right here. So here we go. It's prompting me. It says, please enter. I give an example, the Dalai Lama. Let's give something new I haven't been to before. CA government. And I'm going to go ahead and enter that. And right now it's going to work. It's pulling down the feed and it's parsing it. And then it's converting it into text-to-speech. I'm sorry. Yeah, text-to-speech. And it's making an MP3 out of it. And it's done. There it is. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Reveal in Finder.
You asked, we listened. Our redesigned website is now live. Check us out at San Francisco.
Should have been live.
Will close today at 8
But let's keep listening.
And will reopen with the new East Span 5A M Sept 3. Do you have a family member or friend who needs help? W #mortgage.
Interesting that it actually, the Google library we're using here, it actually interprets the pound as the word hashtag. So it makes it very, very cool. I didn't have to do that.
Hashtag employee versus hashtag independent hashtag contractor. For more information, hashtag payroll tax hashtag ed. California Training Benefits Program allows you to continue collecting hashtag unemployment.
So anyway, you could do this with any Twitter account you like. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it would be fun to do this because it's often kind of funny to hear what people tweet about actually read out loud. So that's why I did that. But anyway, let me know what you think. And I think you could convert this into a lot of different ideas, including some security concepts. But I'll get into that in another video. And check out the description. I'll put the link to this code on the GitHub account. You can check it out, download it yourself.